بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Today I am here with lecture number 12. Take out page number 18. Have a look on book. Look at example 11. In example 11, we will compare two numbers and we will put the symbol of three possibilities: greater than, less than, or equal to. Now look at example 11. Compare the numbers 85,621 and 89,321 and tell which number is smaller. In this question, you will tell that which question is smaller. You will put the symbol of less than. Now look here, there are two steps of this examples. In first step, compare the digits at 10,000 place. In this place value chart, first of all, you will start with 10,000s. You will not start with ones. First of all, you will start with 10,000s place value. Now look at this. Put both the numbers in place value chart. Look at 85,621 and the second number is 89,321. Then compare 10,000 first. Look at the circle digits. Both are the same. Both are equal numbers. Therefore, we cannot compare it in 10,000 place. The numbers you will compare in second step. Now look here, as 8 is equal to 8, so we compare the digit 8,000 place. Now look at the second step, step 2. In step 2 you will leave 10,000 place because both are same. Then come to the thousands place. Look here, the circle digits. In the first number 85,621, 5 is in thousands place, and in second number 89,321, 9 is in thousands place. So you will compare both the numbers. Look here, 9 is greater than and 5 is less than. And in this question, you will tell about the smaller number. And the smaller number is 5 here. So we found here the smaller number, that is 5. Therefore, compare the digits at thousands place. They are 5 and 9 is 5 is less than 9. So 85,621 is less than 89,321. Now look at the board. I have done this example on board also for you. Have a look on board. Example 11. 10,000 place. As we learnt in book, look at the board. 10,000 place. 8 is equal to 8. Therefore, we cannot compare it in 10,000 place. So, in the next step, we will come to thousands place. In thousands place, we can compare both the numbers because 5 is less number and 9 is greater number. Therefore, we can compare both the numbers 8 85,621 and 89,321. Now we found the less number, that is 85,621, and we found 85,621 is smaller number and 89,321 is greater number. Therefore, you will put the symbol of less than. Now students, come to the book. Example 12. Look at Mr. Ali's monthly salary is rupees 35,600 and Mr. Shakil's monthly salary is rupees 45,920. The question is, who has more salary? It means you will found the greater or more salary. Come to the solution. First of all, write the salary of both. Mr. Ali's monthly salary is equal to rupees 35,600. Mr. Shakil's monthly salary is rupees 45,920. Now make a place value chart and put both the numbers. Now look at ones. First of all, ones, then tens, hundreds, thousand, and then 10,000. Then first of all, you will compare 10,000, the number in 10,000's place. Look at, you can compare both the numbers. In 10,000 place, 3 is small and 4 is greater than number. So you can easily find out that 4 is greater than, so all the number is greater than. Mean the salary of Mr. Shakil's monthly salary is greater and Mr. Ali's monthly salary is less, that is 35,600. So comparing the digits at 10,000's place is 4 is greater than 3. So 45,920 is greater than 35,600. Hence, Mr. Shakil has more salary than Mr. Ali. Now students, come to page 19. There is another example, that is example 13. Look at the price of Rabia's mobile is rupees 25,300. What is the price of Rabia's mobile? 25,300 rupees. And the price of Alishba's mobile is rupees 20,320. The question is, whose mobile is more expensive? Whose mobile is more expensive? Now come to the solution. First of all, we will write the prices of each mobile. The price of Rabia's mobile is rupees 25,300 and the price of Alishba's mobile is rupees 20,320. We will compare it in two steps. First of all, look at step 1. Compare the digits at 10,000's place. Look at the place value chart. Look at 10,000's place. In 10,000 place, the digit is same, which is 2. In 10,000, both the numbers in 2,000s. 2 10,000. But 2 10,000 in the first number and 2 10,000 in the second number. Therefore, we cannot compare it. Both are equal to. The possibility is equal to. Therefore, comparing the digits at 10,000 place, which is 2 is equal to 2, They are same. Now in step 2, compare the digits 8,000s place. We will compare the numbers in thousands place because we have same numbers in 10,000 place. Therefore, we are comparing it in thousands place. Look at in the first number in thousands place there are 5,000s, and in second number in thousands place there are 0,000. There is no thousand, just 0. So you can easily find it that 5 is greater than. 5 is greater than, therefore all the number 25,325 is greater than the second number, which is 20,325. The digit 8,000 place are 5 and 0. So 5 is greater than 0. So 25,325 is greater than 20,325. You will put the sign of greater than. Hence, Rabia's mobile is more expensive than Alishba's mobile. Students, you will practice on these examples at home. You will write any 5-digit number and you will make a place value chart. Put two numbers, both numbers in place value chart, and then compare it. Practice it at home in your rough notebooks. I hope you got my points. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.